Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Pogi, happy birthday. Ano sabihin? Pogi, we wish you a happy birthday. Siyempre. Alam ko naman, happy ka ngayon sa status ng love life mo. And happy ka para sa family mo. Alam kong they're all okay in the Philippines. And masaya ka rin naman ngayon sa career mo. Hopefully, tuloy-tuloy lang kung ano yung magandang mangyayari ngayon sa buhay mo. And at the same time, tuloy-tuloy mo yung magandang relationship na meron ka ngayon kay Joycey. And I wish both of you the happiness and everything. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
God bless! Bye-bye!